nicely renovated home. Continuation of my cheap house flips. I don't know if it's cheap, but here we have just some unfinished items, maybe lack of time involved, but take a look at some of the things I'm finding. Here we have a couple Lazy Susan doors. They rub on that. Same thing going on over here. Garage door, this is not a fire rated door. It's missing smoke gasket around the edges. Here's another classic amateur fault. To remove the cap on the disposal, so when you connect the drain line to a brand new disposal, there's a cap in there that if you don't have a dishwasher, you would leave that cap in. However, brand new instances, when running the dishwasher and water comes discharging out of the air gap, you can assume that that cap was not removed before installing. You can see, looks like a plastic corrugated duct for the exhaust duct for the range hood. That is not proper. And here we are up in the attic, and you see the plastic corrugated tied into an aluminum corrugated duct for the exhaust fan. Should be a smooth walled duct for that. It's an insulation. And there it is. Having been up on the roof and not seen a single plumbing vent, there's one that pops through the ceiling into the attic space. That could be an issue.